Hello there, welcome to Hume DIY. I'm Chris, and I am installing a toilet in this video. You can see me removing the old wax ring. Now, I didn't know that there was a wax ring that came with the new toilet, but it did, so keep that in mind. As I'm cleaning up the wax, I am installing the new hardware with the bolts. Some of the hardware that it comes with might not be efficient for the ring that you have. The holes could be too big, like mine was, and I needed some additional washers to set them in place. So you might need to do the same thing as well. The next thing is just putting the ring on the toilet and then setting the toilet on the hole. You basically rock it back and forth and make sure it sits in there nice and tight, and then you rotate it a little bit to squeeze the ring on. Then tighten the bolts gradually to make sure that the toilet sits flat on the ground. Now, to install the top part of the toilet, there's a ring that goes in between that and the bowl. You set it on there, put the two bolts through the holes on the side, then you tighten it up. Next, you put the top part of the top part onto the top part. That little silver circle where you push to flush, I did have to install that. It's basically a big screw that you tighten, and that's it. First flush.
You did it?
Hoping this, I'm about to flush it now. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere.
Pretty good.
Last thing on here is this toilet seat. Now, my wife wanted one of the ones that weren't just plastic, so I got the ceramic one, I think. One of the ones that was hard at Home Depot. Installed that easily by putting the two bolts through the holes, and then you just do this little tightening thing on the top. Rather simple. So that is the toilet install. It is rather simple. It's one of the simplest things I've done. All the pieces were there, everything lined up, everything was good. So I hope this can be helpful for you if you're installing a toilet. If you want to see the rest of this bathroom renovation that I'm sitting in right here, go check out the whole series. It's a fun series, it's been a fun project, and thankful for you stopping by and watching and engaging. Let me know in the comments what you think and any questions or concerns. Just questions if you have them. That's about it for this video. Thank y'all for stopping by. I'm Chris, and I'll see y'all out there. Oh, and make sure you subscribe. Alrighty.